And hello once again. So I believe this is part 5 of my CIT Vanquish PC case now, and the reason why there's a part 5 because I want to show you something. As you can see, we got actually 2 DVD or 1 DVD and 1 Blu-ray writer in this machine, but you can't see them. And also we got a 5¼ inch USB card reader inside this, so all 3 bays have been taken up, but you can't see them. Right, the reason why you can't see them because they're hidden with these front covers. Because the good thing about these front covers, you can remove them easily and take them and put it back on. So if you do that, unclip them, it reveals the DVD drive. Do it again, it reveals the Blu-ray drive. Do it again, it reveals the dashboard, the USB and card reader. So how did I do this? Well, the good thing about this case, it has it's not screws, they're removable tool-less things that you can adjust on them, so you don't have to have them flush against the case if you don't want to. So there's plenty of room behind. I will show you. Right, as we can see in the side of the case, you know, this is where you in an ordinary case or an older case, you like screws are here and there, so you put screws in. Because this is toolless, you can adjust it to wherever you want to position your drive. So what I've done is move it back. As you can see, I've done that with both drives. But down here, this is not made really for a 5¼ inch unit. Down here, if you look underneath, if you can see them, there's these 2 things which usually should stand up, right, to accommodate a 3½ inch device. But what I've done, I've bent these down and basically put a screw in there and moved it back, because that's the reason why I put these ones back, because obviously I couldn't have that flush against the front. So what I've done, I've moved it back so I can accommodate putting these on. So I thought, well, that's a good idea, why don't I try it with all 3 devices, see if that works. So I did, I just moved those back, because as said, they're very adjustable. You can slide it forward, slide it back with both devices, drives. So that's exactly what I've done. And because drives don't get used as much as what they used to, obviously everything's downloadable media now, it's rarely that you use your drives, so it just makes a good touch. It makes it look better, I think. Anyway, it goes better with the case than having drives looking sort of out of place. They don't really, but it does look better with them. So that's just another good feature with this case, I thought. So if you're not really using your drives, why not do that? That's exactly what I've done. So yeah. So if you've got one of them cases, these cases, if you feel like doing it, give it a go, because it does look better with these on, in my opinion. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to end this now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.